back to my channel. So in today's video I have another unboxing for you. This time, however, it's not on a Sunday, but I have another unboxing tomorrow, so I thought I would film one for today as well, because I have this package which I just cannot wait to show you. Like, I've opened it all up, I've got all the bits out all around me because I couldn't wait, number one, to unbox it, and number two, I figured I wouldn't mess around with all the packaging and open it and all and take it ages, because I thought I would just get straight on into it. Also, I'm wearing this shirt today, which I think looks really autumnal, so yeah, props to that. Anyway, this is an unboxing from Banggood, as you may have seen by the title, but I basically have loads of squishies to show you, including two absolute giant ones. What was that? I got ghosts. I don't know what that was. Anyway, these are the two giant ones which I have to show you. I just have them here in front of me. Just look at this. I thought the jumbo ones from before were huge, and then I got these through the post. What? I seen Holly's video not so long ago where she had the giant eye bloom peach. This isn't one because it's from Banggood and it's not eye bloom, but it is ginormous. And let's just open it. It is completely out of the package. Can you just see how big this is? Like, it's not even appearing that big on the camera, like where I'm seeing it, but it is literally looks like I'm lying on a butt. But it literally is as big as my head. Like, what? Are you ready for the squeeze test? Oh, it's literally like I've got a big butt in my hand. I mean, that does not disappoint, does it? Just look at that. What? Honestly, Banggood are killing it with their squishies right now. Absolutely killing it. I love them. I wouldn't say it's scented. It's lightly perfumed, but it's not really scented. Ugh. It's a full handprint in there. I mean, I hope squishies don't get any bigger than this. Like, this is already way too big for me to store, but if they get any bigger, I'm just not going to be able to purchase them. Like, I will have literally no room in my house to hold anything bigger than this, because... Anyway, so the next one was this absolutely ginormous donut squishy. Just, again, look at the size of this. This is unreal. I just can't believe it. I also have this one in the normal version. Let me go get that. Right, okay, so I'm back. This one here is the normal version, like the normal everyday size squishy, fits nicely in your hand, and this is the jumbo one. Look at this. You could fit like 10 billion of these. You could fit this in the little donut hole. What? Donuts forever. Anyway, I'm just gonna squish it. Are you ready? Nice and slow rising. Look at that. Just holds them so perfectly. Let's look at it from the back as well, because I found the back where like less paint is even more squishier. It's really, really soft given the fact that it is so big, and slow rising as well. You just can't beat it. I love it. I'm just gonna wear it as a bracelet. Also looks a bit like a party ring. Woo, party. Woo. I'm getting a bit too weird here. Anyway, so the next, I'm just gonna keep this on my arm. The next squishy that I got from them was this Vlampo cake squishy. I actually already have one of these, believe it or not. It's just one of these little ones. I posted it a few weeks ago on my Instagram. I absolutely love these because the feel of them is just incredible. Like, incredible. Oh my goodness. And yeah, I'll tell you what it smells like. It smells like, you know, when you walk into the main hall of the cinema, where they have like all the caramel popcorn and the sugary stuff, and it just smells like that. It just smells like the cinema hall of the popcorn. That's what that smells like. Who doesn't love that smell? That's like the best bit when you go to the cinema, the smell. Let's give you a little view of this. This is my new lens, by the way. Let me know what you think of autofocus time. I think it's so much better than my other one, but let's give it a squeeze. just Vlampo really just nail it with the slow risiness. Look, it's still not even half the way risen. Just look at this. This is perfect. Also with these Vlampo ones, it is slightly like pearlescent, which I absolutely love because it kind of gives another depth to them. I don't really like the pattern of this so much. Like, it's not really my type of kind of design. I like things really cute, like with real cute faces and stuff like that on, but the smell of this and the slow risiness of it and just the feel of this just makes it so worthwhile, even though it is not 100% like my pattern, but I really love it. Also, ignore my nails, they're all chipped, covered in paint, and just look an absolute state. I've just been doing so many redecos this week. It's basically the redecos that have killed these, by the way, so let me know if you've enjoyed those, because yesterday I filmed my very last one. My hands are still covered in paint and just gross. I will sort out my nails over the weekend so that next week I'm gonna have super cute nails, but I just can't get enough of this. I should probably take it off because that's really annoying, but I don't know, it's kind of fancy. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to show you. This one here is a, I don't know, another cake type squishy. I've never heard of this brand ever. Does that make me a bad squishy YouTuber? I'm not sure, but oh, the bag isn't resealable. That's really annoying, but it says scented on it, so I'm not gonna have to open it. Alright. Well, I'm gonna need scissors. No, back with scissors. Let's just get into this. Just get into it. Oh. It's not even that scented. That was disappointing. No. I opened that because it said scented on. And this isn't really that scented. That donut's more scented than this. Anyway, I can give you a closer look now. I've got an armband on. But here is the cake, coney, ice creamy, waffly waffle. I'm going to say it's an ice cream waffle. Looks like this. Ooh. Not bad. Not bad at all. I mean, it's not as soft as the Vlampo one, but this is quite nice. The blue bit on this is also a little bit pearlescent. You probably can't tell because the lighting in my video is always really bad because I sit in front of a window, but you know, not bad. Not bad at all. So the next one, I've finally taken the armband off, by the way. It was just getting a bit too much, wasn't it? I have this one here. This isn't branded at all. I just thought it'd be really great for redecoing or something, but this is just an ice cream cone with kind of ice cream at the top with these little kind of just dots on, quite messy type dots, but I think this is actually a replica from, I think it's a Vlampo squishy that looks like this. I know there is actually a real licensed version, but this is just an unlicensed one from Banggood. Look at that slow rising this. That's that one. I will leave all the links in the description down below, by the way, for all of these, so you can check them out and see the prices. I don't usually put prices on screen for sites like Banggood and everything, just because the currency exchange can alter it in your country. So in my country it could be more expensive than what it would be if you go click on the link and see, or it could be cheaper if I say it and then you click it, it's more expensive, you know, just a bit confusing. So I just leave all the links down below so you can kind of check it out for the prices and stuff. So the next one I have come across, oh, this one. After this one, I just got 2 left. They're the 2 I'm super excited for. But this one here, oh my goodness, yes, I remember this. I could not resist this. If I was to make a squishy, it would look something like this. Just look at it. It's perfect. Everything about it. It looks just like a little frappuccino or something. Ooh. That's really surprising. I didn't actually expect it to be that slow rising. I know when you get cheap ones that look this cute, don't actually end up being really slow rising, but this is so soft in my hand. Like, look, can you see that? Just with a little squeeze, it's really, really soft. Does it smell of anything again? Actually, there's a light scent. It's a little tiny bit of a light scent of like chocolate or something like cocoa, but nothing majorly overpowering that you'd say it's scented. But I love it. I love this one so much. This one definitely beats all of the little ones so far. Just look how cute that face is. Oh my goodness. Is it even focusing on it? I'm not sure. I think it is. But just look at that. I love that so much. Just looks exactly like the little faces I always draw. I love it. Okay, so the last two are licensed. That's 4. But the last 2 are licensed, and these are staying with me forever as part of my new collection. I really want to start collecting yummiibears. I don't know why. I just really like some of them. Some of them I'm not too keen on, so I don't care if I have them or not. But these 2 are 2 I wanted to add to my collection, and let me just show you them. The first one is the Yummy Bear Bakery Bun. I don't actually have any of these at all. I always see Syndicate and Estrella with them, and I just love them, and I've always wanted them. So let's have a look and open it up. I will leave both their channels down in the description down below, by the way, if you're not already subscribed. I am sure you are if you're into squishies and everything, because their channels are great and they've been around for a lot longer than I have. So yeah, if you haven't, then I will leave that down below and you can check them out. But anyway, here is the little kind of tag. Again, just ignore my nails. I'm trying to like keep them out, but can you even see it? Ew, my nails. If I get even closer, how about that? Oh, now we can see it. Why didn't I get closer before? It is just a little yummy bear with a fork. Ew, look how chipped they are. But here it is. I just love that so much. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Honestly, let's give this a squish. Again. Just beautiful. Slow risings of these are just incredible. Like I said, I really like the texture of all the yummy bears. They're slightly dense on the outside with a really soft feel on the inside, and just nice and slow rising, and all the patterns and everything are just so beautiful. Like, so beautiful. Ooh, it smells bad. Like, it's scented, but like it smells old scented. Do you know what I mean? It smells like it's been in storage for like 10 years. Why am I still sniffing this? She smells. But here's the Yummy Bear bun. That is absolutely adorable. So the very last one is this one. Should I just show you in the packaging? Here it is. It's another Yummy Bear by Creamy Candy. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. This is my favourite one out of the whole haul. I absolutely love the colour pink. Look at this, by the way. Look at this. Are you seeing this? Like this little tag. It also looks like a little kawaii Care Bear. You know when Pusheen did that line with the Care Bears? That's what that looks like. Even though it is a little Yummy Bear, but still. Okay. She is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Here she is. Are you seeing her? Here she is. Let's give you a 360 kind of view of her. And there she is. Let's give her a squish. Just look at that. Nice and soft. Tiny bit denser on the outside, like with all Yummy Bears. And just look at that slow risiness. She's still rising. The scent of this one is there. Strawberries? Did it sell in the packet? Yummy Bear, Creamy Bear. No, it smells like strawberries. I'm convinced that's strawberry. I'm really bad with scents. Heaven forbid if I ever do like a perfume like haul on here. I don't know why I would do a perfume haul, but you know, Bath and Body Works, that is a place I could do a perfume haul for if I went back to America. I need to go back to America soon and go to Bath and Body Works because I love it. I wish we had it here in the UK. It's one of those things that I just don't know how I live without. Every time I go to America, I'm like stocking up, filling up my suitcase with it because I just can't get it. Actually, That's what I'm wearing today. You know that marshmallow pumpkin body spray thing that comes out in autumn? I was going to say August, but oh, it does come out in August actually. That comes out in autumn. That's what I'm wearing today. And I got my autumnal shirt on, so it just smells all good. And I should be talking about this squishy. I'm so sorry. But just look at this. It's so, so gorgeous. And the slow risiness of this is just perfect. Oh, she's beautiful. I love her so much. I wonder how many pink yummy bears there are. Are there a lot? Please tell me in the description down below, because maybe I should just collect pink ones. Or just like ones with pink on. Because otherwise that could get a bit out of hand, because there are a lot. And I can't afford a lot, so I should just have a small collection. Yeah, let me know down in the comments which pink ones or which ones have pink on, and I will go Google that and I will go find them, because this little guy or girl has inspired me. I need to do pink ones. Pink ones. Anyway, that is the very last squishy of this whole haul, which is quite sad because I've really enjoyed just sitting here talking to my camera today, because the last week has been so tiring. Like, I have stayed up so late doing all the redeco videos that I just need, you know, some days where I just sit down and talk to you guys in a camera and unbox my favourite things. So that's what I'm going to be doing over the next week, probably from now. Just doing some hauls, unboxings, a few DIYs thrown in. No super, super long ones, but I'll be doing like some fun ones, which are kind of, I've been meaning to do, but haven't really found a kind of place to do them. The week after that, I might do a paper squishy week. Let me know down in the comments down below if you would like that. And then the week after that, well, it's my birthday week that week, so I'm going to do birthday themed videos. Who doesn't want to see that? So, yeah. If you aren't subscribed already, make sure to, you know, subscribe to see all the upcoming videos that are coming your way. And yeah, that's it for today. So I am going to go. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend if you're in the UK. Have a fantastic bank holiday Monday. And yeah, that's all I've got to say. So I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you tomorrow for Something Out Sunday, where I do another unboxing. So yeah, bye!